Hi! In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about staking, unstaking, and restaking with Sceptre. To get started, you'll need either wrapped FLR or regular FLR in your wallet. Go to the Sceptre for FLR app on our website, connect your wallet, select the type of FLR you want to stake, enter the amount and click Stake to start the transaction. After successfully staking, your wallet will be credited with FLR, representing your staked FLR. The reverse of this process is called unstaking. To do it, head to the Unstake tab, choose the amount, and click Unstake. This starts a 14.5-day cooldown period during which we ensure that there is enough wrapped FLR for you to claim. As soon as the cooldown period ends, a 2-day redemption period starts. During this period, you can claim your wrapped FLR. To do so, simply go to the Requests tab and click Claim to start the claiming transaction and transfer the wrapped FLR to your wallet. The FLR you held is burned in this process. If you forget to claim your wrapped FLR or have changed your mind during the redemption period, it automatically gets restaked. No worries! You can easily reclaim the corresponding FLR in the Requests tab. Just click Reclaim to initiate the process and get your FLR back in your wallet. We hope this video helped clear out any doubts you had about the staking, unstaking, and restaking processes on Sceptre. If you still have any questions, let us know in the comments.